You made it! I always knew you would. The Lake Club is the life you've been working towards. Now it's yours. You dreamed of a kitchen like this. Gatherings, holidays, the kinds of meals people remember. You pictured this living room filled with friends. Cheese. Game nights, laughter that carries through the space. And here is where it all slows down. Sunsets by the pool, weekends that never feel long enough, and a backyard built for making memories. The Lake Club doesn't just offer amenities, it offers a lifestyle that you can't find anywhere else. Congratulations and welcome home. The Lake Club is officially yours.